Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Redmi A5 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up, Allow all in the second one, and finally whatever you want to in this one about notifications. In this window about new updates, you can also select whatever you want to, so hit Not Now and OK, or just OK right away. Now tap your device's displays to continue, and hit Send at the bottom left corner of Redmi. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Redmi, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. In some of those sections, like contacts and files, you need to hit allow a few more times to access your files. Then, when you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it? In here's some tip pop-up. And now it's time to pick one of those connection ways. If you want to scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide of your Android. Close an ad, allow camera access in the pop-up, and then point it at the code. If you wish to input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers before they expire, and then hit the Receive button to connect. Close an ad, and as you can see, after that all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!